Whether you're a seasoned hustler or someone starting out in the world of online money, you're watching the perfect video. On this channel, we show you some of the best methods to achieve financial freedom. And today's video is going to do exactly that. I'm going to show you how to make $5,000 a week using basically a copy-paste method that you can do from anywhere in the world. You don't need to pay for anything or invest in anything. It's completely free of charge and risk-free. And you don't need any skills or experience. All you need is your device, internet connection, and the detailed instructions that I'm about to lay out for you, step by step. So be sure to pay very close attention to every single money-making second in this short video. Just before we get into the nitty-gritty, be sure to show us some love and support by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a life-changing money-making method. And if you have any thoughts or questions at this point, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section below. It's a pleasure hearing from you. Now, let's get to business. First of all, I want you to go onto Google and search for cool cars. Then go to the images section where you'll find thousands of images that correspond to your search words. This is the very first thing that you want to do. Just pick out some of these images and have them downloaded or saved, as they are gonna be crucial later on. So now, let's get right into the first website that we'll be using to generate income. Simply visit this website called teespring.com, which is the website that will be making you money using those images of the cars that you just saved or downloaded. As soon as you visit the page, you will see that Teespring is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. It takes pride in these three main features, namely no cost, no hassle, and no risk. On top of this stellar overview, this entire website is 100% free, which means not a single penny will ever leave your pocket. And by the way, it is just so easy that you can do this without even feeling like you're doing any work. Now, on this page, I want you to scroll down and you can find a really huge range of apparel items and accessories with very visually pleasing designs, as you can see right here. So, what you're going to do on this website is upload your own designs and have it printed on a t-shirt or any apparel, and just like that, you get to earn tons of money online. On this page right here, you can find tons of categories that you can freely choose from. Once you've chosen a category, you can print your design on an item of your choice and monetize it. On this left column, you can find unisex tees, women's tees, hoodies, sweatshirts, tank tops, long sleeve tees, kids and babies apparel, and much more. So just pick any one of these, which I'll be showing you later on. Alright, so let me explain how this works. You are just going to submit a design using the images I asked you to search for right at the beginning. Then Teespring will help you print those shirts every time someone makes a purchase. This means that there won't be any inventory issues. You won't ever have too many shirts or not enough shirts because it's all printed on demand. And that's not even your concern, because Teespring will actually do all of the manufacturing and printing for you. It's simply just a walk in the park. You won't have the hassle to go and print the shirts on your own, since Teespring will do all the work for you. The only thing that you're gonna do is submit your own designs, and then that's it. You just wait for easy money to come in just like that. Now, let me tell you the best thing about this entire method, and that is that your income opportunities are completely limitless. There's nothing that can stop you from creating as many designs as you want in order to create multiple sources of income through this. By doing this, you'll increase your earnings by a lot, to the point where you can make $5,000, and it can even go beyond that. Now that you have a background on what the entire website is all about, allow me to show you how it works. Step 1. Just design and create a custom store instantly for free. Step 2. Connect your social accounts, promote your launch, and share your products with your community. And finally, step 3. This is when you get the profit you deserve, while Teespring handled the production, shipping, and customer support for you. Again, I just want to highlight how amazing this is. You don't have to worry about manufacturing, shipping, dealing with customers, updating the website, and all of that difficult, tiresome stuff. This website does all of that for you. There's no excuse for not getting started with this ASAP. By now, I'm sure that you're beyond excited to get started, so let's not prolong the agony. let's just head on to the sign up process. On the home page, I want you to shift your attention to the upper right side of the page and click on Start Designing. After that, you will find yourself being taken to this page, where your task is just to fill in the fields that are just about your personal information. Put in your name or brand name, email address, and password. After that, solve the CAPTCHA over here and tick the box that says you're not a robot. Once you're done, all you have to do is hit the sign up button while agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy of Teespring. And now you have your brand new account, and you're now ready to go further on this fresh money-making journey. Now, before going straight into the creative process, you are first going to tell them more about yourself. The first thing that you're going to do once you're on this page is to hit this red button that says Create a Product. After that, you'll then find a wide array of categories. As you can see, tons and tons of recommendations on what types of apparel are on fire right now. I highly suggest that you adapt from these styles, since these are what customers want at the moment. For this video, let's try designing a sample long sleeve. Specifically this one right here, which is the classic long sleeve tee. Click on this button that says Start Designing, and then you are now all set to design the long sleeve tee. You can start by uploading the desired design for the tee, which was an image of a cool car that you picked out in the very first step. The next thing that I want you to do is click on this button right here which says Add Image, and do what it says. Simply add the image you like. After doing so, it will then show as the main design on the classic long sleeve tee right here. And you also have the freedom to move the image around in order to put it where you want it. You can choose to put it at the center or just a bit above. You can put it along the side and literally anywhere you want. You can also adjust the image to make it smaller or bigger and just express your fullest creativity. And it will show on the long sleeve tee right here. So, after you add the image as the main design, you will then now choose the product color, which is basically the color of the long sleeve tee. Personally, I love the color white, and it also complements the image design perfectly. Then you'll name your price, and you'll be asked to set a price for your product. Teespring will actually automatically set it at $28.99, and your commission is at $15.17, which is actually more than 50% of the price of the product. Based on that alone, that is amazing! Where else can you get this kind of commission for minimal work? Now, here's an extra tip that will get you earning even more from this method. While loads of people use Teespring, it won't hurt for you to bring more people to the site, and more specifically, your product. So, to do that, head on over to Facebook, which I'm 100% sure you probably already have and use. Once you're on Facebook, search for groups that are fond of cars. So, for example, you can just put car lovers right here in the search bar. After that, just join a bunch of groups and then upload images of your design as well as the link to your store. Once people see the stunning design that you just made, they're absolutely going to love it, which will then drive them to purchase your product. To maximize how much you earn, simply join as many groups as possible and even share your product on other social media platforms. With this extra tip, there's no doubt that you're absolutely gonna crush it. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you've learned something new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on, and we'll see you in the next video.